How to configure email connection settings on HostGator. To configure your email connection settings on HostGator, you need to know your incoming and outgoing mail server information, as well as your username, password, port, and SSL settings. You can find these settings in your panel's email account section, or by using the web search tool. Here are the steps to access your email settings from your cPanel. Log into your HostGator cPanel and click on the email accounts icon. Locate your email account from the list and click on the Connect Devices button. On the next page, you will find your configuration settings for POP3, IMAP, and SMTP protocols. You can also download the auto configuration scripts for some email clients, such as Outlook or Thunderbird. Once you have your email settings, you can use them to set up your email client or application of your choice. The exact steps may vary depending on the email client or application you are using, but you will generally need to enter the following information: your name and email address, your account type, POP3 or IMAP, your incoming and outgoing mail server names, your username and password, your port and SSL settings, your authentication method. Learn more. 1. Email connection settings. HostGator support. https://www.hostgator.com/help/article/email-connection-settings. 2. Configuring Outlook. HostGator support. https://www.hostgator.com/help/article/configuring-outlook. 3. Setting up email for Windows Mail, Windows 8/10s, HostGator. https://www.hostgator.com/help/article/setting-up-email-for-Windows-mail.